Managing customers requires more than just tracking leads. Are you overwhelmed by unstructured client data? Meet Parrot AI, your solution for Salesforce optimization. We create customized workflows tailored to your unique business needs. Our expert team seamlessly integrates Salesforce with ERP and e-commerce platforms. Imagine having a single source of truth for your entire organization. Enjoy automation that saves time and enhances productivity. Gain real-time dashboards offering actionable AI insights. With Parrot AI, Salesforce transforms into a powerful engine for growth. Don't miss out on achieving true customer success. Ready to elevate your business? Visit our website and get started today.